Hi. Let's learn how to read plural nouns and the present tense form of regular verbs, adding s or es. The third
is,
when the last sound of the base form of the verb or noun has one of the following sounds, not letters, sounds.
s, ch, sh, ks, z,
And
j,
the added s or es is pronounced.
is, is, is. Voice is, voices, voices, voices. Mix is, mixes, mixes, mixes. Edge is, edges, edges, edges.
Race, races. Dress, dresses. Watch, watches. Itch, itches. Wish, wishes. Brush, brushes. Fix, fixes. Relax, relaxes. Quiz, quizzes. Buzz, buzzes. Cage, cages. Range, ranges. Practice. Fixes, fixes, fixes. Cages, cages, cages. The man fixes cages for a living. The man fixes cages for a living. The man fixes cages for a living. Next. Relaxes, relaxes, relaxes. Quizzes, quizzes, quizzes. The girl relaxes after many quizzes. The girl relaxes after many quizzes. The girl relaxes after many quizzes. Next. Uses, uses, uses. Brushes, brushes, brushes. The boy uses different brushes. The boy uses different brushes. The boy uses different brushes. Last. Scratches, scratches, scratches. Causes, causes, causes. Itches, itches, itches. The cat scratches and causes itches on my leg. The cat scratches and causes itches on my leg. The cat scratches and causes itches on my leg. Good job. Bye.